So what if we have an example that looks something like this, where we have a negative 2 raised to the negative second power, all raised to the negative fourth. What do we do here? Well, first we always want to start on the inside. Can we simplify the inside? The answer is yes, because we do have a negative exponent here. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of the inside of the parentheses first. Since it's a negative exponent, I'm going to go ahead and do repeated division. That's going to be 1 divided by a negative 2, a total of 2 times. So once, twice. But if you'll notice here, this is still being raised to the negative fourth power. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it as the negative fourth power. Now at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and clean things up a bit, so this is a little bit more condensed. I'm going to call this 1 over a negative 2, and I notice it's repeated 2 times, so I'm going to go ahead and put squared. And then I'm going to raise this entire thing by a negative 4. So at this stage, I can go ahead and look to see that I do have a negative exponent I need to take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and do repeated division on this entire base. So to do that, I'm going to have to do 1 divided by this fraction here, because this is the base now. It's no longer just a negative 2, it's this fraction. So I'm going to put 1 over negative 2 squared. I'm going to do it 4 times. So I'm going to divide once, twice, 3 times, and then once more, 4 times. So at this stage, I'm just going to go ahead and clean things up. The 1 is going to remain a 1 in the numerator. Now here, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just a 1. And then here, I'm going to count to see how many I have. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 altogether. So I'm going to write negative 2 to the 8th power. Now here, you can't leave your answer like that. That is a complex fraction. We do want to simplify it. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is 1. Notice this means divide. So I'm going to divide it by the fraction that I have underneath, which is 1 over negative 2 to the 8th power. So at this stage, what we can do is go ahead and note that it's division. Okay, we're dividing fractions. Do we know what to do? Absolutely. We're just going to multiply by the reciprocal. Some of you are used to hearing it as keep, change, flip. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply that by the reciprocal. We're going to do 1 over 1, change that to multiplication, and then take the reciprocal of this, which is negative 2 to the 8th power over 1. If I multiply straight across, I'm going to be left with negative 2 to the 8th power divided by 1, which is simply negative 2 to the 8th power. Okay, so some of you are used to hearing, hey, negative exponent means you take the reciprocal. Some, I've noticed, are more comfortable understanding that negative basis means repeated division. I highly suggest you try this method and see if it works for you.